Okay, I've got my screen enlarged now so I can control these motors with touch screen. And I've got them plugged in and mounted so that they can both go in the same direction. If I bring the two sliders together, which means the right slider goes closer to 0 when it gets faster, and the left slider goes closer to the maximum 180 when it goes faster. So we've got Omni wheels on the front and a little 3.7 volt battery for power. I'll do a demonstration of this actually running next. So once again, where these sliders are near to 90, that's the 0 speed, because these are continuous servos and they show up as if they're a positional servo. We're learning to cope with that. I've got it built so that the drive wheels are controlled by moving these two sliders together for forward and apart for backward. It's going to take some practice to learn how to control this, but we can turn it by running one wheel faster and the other slower. This is the right wheel and this is the left wheel, and it's best to start by having these slider positions approximately 90 in the middle. That way we can have them in the 0 speed position when we turn them on. Just turn them on like this, and we're at 90 and 185 the other. Therefore, the car really doesn't move. Now, as I move these sliders together or apart, it will go forward or backward. And we can turn it by running one faster or the other slower. It's going to take some practice to learn how to do this, but I think this can be done. I think this can be learned, and there'll be more about all this.